everyone, I'm Dr. Naomi.
And I'm Dr. Via.
And we're ready to do some science. Today we're going to be doing a volcano eruption.
First thing that we'll need for ingredients, looks like we'll need dish soap. 2 teaspoons of dish soap.
And cold water.
And then 1.5 cups of white vinegar.
And last, half a cup of baking soda. First, we have to put on our safety goggles before we start our science experiment.
Let's get those on real quick. It's important to keep your eyes safe, especially when your experiment involves explosion.
Alright, so let's just get on started with the experiment. So the first step on our instructions is to combine vinegar, water, dish soap, and a little bit of food coloring, if you want to, into the bottle. So let's start with vinegar. We need 1.5 cups.
Yes, 1.5 cups of vinegar.
Here you go, Via.
Thank you. Let's see, this is vinegar, vinegar.
And we also have a funnel to pour it into the bottle so that we don't make a big mess. Here is 1 cup. And here is the other half cup.
Smells delicious.
Not. So next we have water. We're going to need half a cup of cold water. So we have our pitcher here. And pour it down into the bottle. Any bottle will work for this experiment.
And then after that, it looks like we have dish soap. It says right here we need 2 teaspoons of dish soap. So let's see if we can count this out.
And the last part for step 1 is to put 2 drops of food coloring into the bottle. You have the food coloring, you have yellow and red, and who knows what we want to use.
You know what? One of my favorite colors is orange. So we're going to mix them. So we have 1 drop of red and 1 drop of yellow.
Perfect. Now we can move on to step 2. So step 2 says, use a spoon to mix the baking soda and water in a separate cup. And make sure it's all liquid. So we'll start with
Baking soda.
baking soda. Half cup of baking soda. We're going to put another half cup of water. Now we'll use the spoon to mix it up until it's all liquid. So we're going to pour this baking soda into the bottle and hope for a big reaction. So
Let's see. Should we take this funnel out?
sounds like a fabulous idea.
Be very careful. Watch out.
And here it comes out.
Whoa!
Eruption time!
Can I touch it?
I guess so. Be careful. How does it work with Mez?
Guys, I'm going to explain how this volcano reaction happened. A chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda creates a gas called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the same type of gas used to make the carbonation in sodas. What happens if you shake up a soda? The gas gets very excited and then tries to spread out. There is not enough room in the bottle for the gas to spread out, so it leaves through the opening very quickly, causing an eruption. So that's the same thing that happens with the volcano. It's like shaking up a bottle of soda, it just blows up.
And that is our science experiment.
Our volcano that you can try at home, but make sure you do it in a place where you can get messy and you might need some parental help.
And don't forget to stay safe. Sometimes goggles are needed.
Thanks for coming to our science experiment.
We hope to see you next time.
Bye! Happy erupting!